Are you a YouTuber struggling to keep up with the demands of content creation? Do you find yourself spending countless hours scripting, editing, and optimizing your videos? If so, you are not alone. But what if there was a way to simplify your workflow, save time, and even cut down on costs? That's where AI comes in. Welcome to AI Daily Discoveries, your go-to place for AI. First problem is script writing. Coming up with fresh ideas and writing scripts can take hours or days. But with AI tools like storynest.ai, you can generate YouTube scripts in minutes. This is the dashboard of Storynest, which come up with a very clean UI. Here you can generate fictional stories, non-fictional pieces and educational content. Apart from this, you can generate AI-powered characters for your stories. To generate a new story, click on Create with AI. Then select what you want to create. Now select the story type and click Next. Here give a description about which type of story you want. And choose writing styles and number of chapters. I am asking for a jungle story. Then hit Generate. After few seconds it will generate the story. Let's check the story. In StoryForge section you can check complete details of your story, and the main part you can generate your characters as well. Here you can check story outline, summary of story, framework and many more. This is how you can generate your stories. Now move to next problem. Next, let's talk about video editing. It's often the most time-consuming part of creating a YouTube video. Enter Microsoft Clipchamp. This free tool offers a ton of resources, including stock footage, templates, and even a text-to-speech feature with multiple languages. It comes up with many templates, free music and sound effect. Include many transitions and text effects as well to speed up your editing. Click on Create a Video to start editing. In the Import Media section you can easily import your files. In Record and Create section you got text-to-speech feature. Once you click there in right size you got a lot of languages and voices for free. You can change your aspect ratio whenever you want. And to download, click on Export, and here you can download up to 1080p for free. And the main part, you can download it without any watermark. Once scripting and editing is done, let's move to next problem. But what's a great video without viewers? SEO optimization is key, which include title, description and tags, but it can be a complex puzzle. That's where AI tools like ChatGPT and vidIQ come in handy. Go to ChatGPT, then copy the script generated from storynest.ai. Then paste the story in ChatGPT. And write, give me a title and description of this story for my YouTube channel, and press enter. Then it will generate a eye-catchy title and description for your video. For tags, write a prompt, give me a tags code in 1500 characters with comma for above story. And hit enter. You can choose number of characters according to your requirements. Just copy the tags code and paste it in YouTube tags section. We will discuss vidIQ in later stage of this video. Thumbnails are the first thing people see. Creating eye-catching thumbnails used to mean learning graphic design, but with AI tools like Canva, Ideogram, it's been easier today. Here we are going to discuss about both the methods and rate which thumbnail is better. To generate thumbnail from Ideogram, go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT for a thumbnail idea prompt for the story. Then copy the prompt and paste it in Ideogram. Select the aspect ratio and color palette or remains color to auto and hit generate. Check the 4 generated images. And download which one you like by clicking the 3 dots. I think we should put name of the story to look more attractive. Go to ChatGPT and revise your script by asking him to add title in middle of the image. Then copy the prompt and paste it in Ideogram and hit generate. Now check the result. I love this one. Next I need to download it. Now let's check in Canva. Canva's AI features offer pre-designed templates with lots of features. Search YouTube thumbnail in the search bar and check out pre-designed templates, select the best thumbnail which suits your video. And customize it according to your requirements. Let's create from scratch. Upload the image generated from Ideogram. Then click on the image and then bring it to background. Select text from its template and edit it according to yourself. You can edit its font, size, color easily. Here you can add lot more things like images, shapes and many more. I am adding text only and let's download it. Now check which image is better in an online thumbnail rating tool. I put the link in description. Browse your image and check its ratings. Now let's check this thumbnail. Like this you can check your thumbnail and select the best one to attract more viewers. Let's move to next problem. Finally, understanding what works and what doesn't can be tricky. AI tools like vidIQ help break down your analytics, offering insights into viewer behavior, suggesting video improvements, and even helping you discover what your audience loves. Let's check some of its important features. Here you can optimize your videos easily. Just click there and it will suggest you some interesting titles, description and important tags which you can add to your videos. In the SEO section you can check your SEO score. In the checklist section you can analyze what you are lacking in your videos and edit them directly through this application. Like this you can optimize all your videos. Here in keyword you can see some keyword in your niche which are highly in demand. In generate section you can generate new script, titles, description, tags and thumbnail as well. Just like this you can completely optimize your video to increase viewers' attention. So, there you have it. AI is revolutionizing the way YouTubers create, edit, and optimize their content. With these tools, you can cut down on the time spent on these tasks and focus on what really matters, creating content that connects with your audience. Best of all, these tools are free, so you don't have to break the bank to up your YouTube game. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tips and tools. Until next time, happy creating!